Hello my friends, hello beautiful people. Welcome to the day 6 of our 30 days logo design challenge. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this logo inside of CorelDraw. If you've not gotten your CorelDraw template, it's still very much available. Click the link in the description of this video to get yours. And if you've not subscribed, now is the best time to hit the subscribe button so you miss any videos I'm dropping in time from now. Without having to say much, let's get straight right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do here is go and click on file, and I'm going to click on new like this. Okay, so clicking on new, I'm just going to give it a name. Of course, like I said in the beginning of this video, it's going to be day 6 and the same size like you've used in previous days. I'm just going to click OK, right? Okay, so now we're in. So you can double click on the rectangle and give it a white color, remove the outline by clicking here, and also you can lock it if you want to lock it so you don't have the background moving all around. First thing I'm going to do is hold down Control as I click on the ellipse or the circle shape like this. P to position it in the middle of the page, right? Ctrl C and Ctrl V to make a duplicate copy of this. I'm going to hold down Shift to bring this inside like this. Okay, I'm going to do that again. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and make another duplicate copy to bring this one inside. What I'm going to do again is go over to my pen tool, draw a straight line like this. Press P to make sure it's in the middle, and what I'm going to do again is still with the pen to draw. This time it's going to be horizontal line like this, and make sure it's at the middle like this too. So now that I have this, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a duplicate copy of this, right? So Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So make a duplicate copy of this guy here. So I'm just going to reduce the size like this, and I'm going to bring this somewhere here like this, right? Let me zoom close so that I can see what I'm doing more. So I'm going to put it somewhere here so that it intersects the second ellipse. And I'm going to close it back to here like this, right? So I'm just going to go in and bring in my smart fill. And I'm going to map out these areas like this, right? So this is exactly what I need, and this is the only thing I need, right? So I'm going to pull this out and of course fill it with the color that I need. Remove the outline and none, right? So I won't be needing any of this again. I'm going to delete it, I guess. Okay, so now that this is done, center it to the page, or you can just bring it inside of the page. You don't need to center it, right? So this is the letter A, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to type the name. It's going to be ARTEMIS like this. It's supposed to be for a furniture company, right? So I'm just going to change the font to the one that I used. The one that I used. Okay, so I'm going to use this. So some persons asked me for the font that I use for my designs. Please, all of these fonts are part of the Smart Designer Premium asset. So you can get yours to also use the same fonts that I use for my designs too. So I'm just going to centralize this, highlight all of them, group them, press P to centralize it to the page, make it smaller like this, and there you go. right? So this is ARTEMIS. So create another page, multi-page view. So this is the first page. Obviously, I'm just going to copy this, come to page 2, double click to fill it, fill this with this color here, and remove the outline. And now you can paste what you copied from page 1 like this. So I'm going to create a last page. Click on this plus, but with this one, what I'm going to do is double click on the rectangle again to create a shape, remove the outline. But this time I'm going to use the secondary color of this Pro white here, the secondary color for this brand. And okay, let me use black. Okay, this is in white. This is where I have to change. So I'm just going to fill it up with this green. Yeah, this is what I'm going to use, right? So okay, so there you have it. Different colors, the same logo. And this is how I'm going to start the brand for this particular company, right? All right, guys, if you've enjoyed how I created this logo, if you've enjoyed my process, make sure you don't forget to like this video, and above all, make sure you're subscribed so that you can watch all of the videos I'll be posting after this time around. I'll see you guys.